Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I bring you something new to the channel. As you can see here, this is my channel. All you have to do is subscribe to it now. I'm doing a new giveaway. Okay, so I haven't been uploading in a lot of time, so today I'm gonna say that I have uploaded a couple of videos that you can see here. It's a 5 scheduled videos. These are the dates for them. Every one day I'll release a new video, like between a day or two, something like that. Yeah, this is the new schedule for the channel, and if you guys don't like it, you can tell me which when is the time right to watch it, stuff like that. So let's go back to the video. Okay, the giveaway actually. Okay, so right now I have 2020 subscribers. Okay, so what is the giveaway? This is the giveaway. This is an Airpods Pro. Yes, my man. As you can see here, this is the new Airpods Pro. This is something I wanted to do for a while. Yeah. Okay, so I still have my PlayStation 4 giveaway. I'll do a PlayStation 5 giveaway in a couple of next days, stuff like that. Yeah, so right now we have an Airpods Pro giveaway. Yeah, and this is a MacBook. Yeah, I'll do an unboxing to it and an unboxing to these AirPods before I give it to the guy who's gonna win this. Okay, so yeah, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment something funny. Yeah, if I like it, if I laugh on it, I'll give you the AirPods. Yeah, this is how I do my giveaways, and yeah, this is the new AirPods Pro. It has noise cancellation, stuff like that, transparency mode, and yeah, it's wireless. This is the most important thing. It got up to 30 hours of listening to music in one day. So yeah, I'm giving this away, and this is my channel. I'll change this. I forgot what they call it, thumbnail, something like that. Nah, channel banner, something like that. Yeah, I'll change it to my name and stuff like that. Was my channel's old name, and yeah, so yeah, I'm sort of not uploading a lot of videos, but yeah. Okay, so this is a worldwide giveaway. So wherever you live, I will give you this. All you have to do is just pay for the shipping, and that's it. Wherever you live, and that's it. Okay, so as I said, like the channel, the video, subscribe to the channel, and what else? Comment something funny. And as I said, if I laugh on it, yeah, you won. Okay, when will I give this to the winner? When I reach how many subscribers? 3,000 subscribers, which is 1,000 subscribers left. Less than that, it's like 980. Yeah, so once I get to 3,000 subscribers, 3,000, okay, I will give this to the lucky winner. As I said, subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment something funny, and once I reach 3,000 subscribers, let me do the focus, yeah, I'll give it away to the lucky winner. It's a worldwide giveaway, and yeah. Okay, and if in case you want to buy it, I'll put a link into the description for you to buy it. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video.